Now let's answer his post. Baliktad ito. So, ito ay post ni Bernard Lupango. Sagutan natin from question number 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do question number 5 yata ito. Yung unang question doon. Natakpan ng kamay niya. Dito na lang tayo sa mga choices. Ang choices ay merong 6,452. So, malamang ito 6,452. Next, 6,452 enrollees at Mabuhay High School last year and 4,956 this year. Of these, hindi ko man maklaro to. Ano ba to? And then, there are first-year students. So, malamang itong mga number of first-year students, ito ay 3,600 kasi nandun sa mga choices yung 3,600 students. First-year students, which of the following can tell us the number n of students who are not in first year? So, kung lahat ng mga enrollees ay 6,452 and 4,956 this year, so bali, i-add mo lang yan yung 4,956. Ito yung last year, ito yung this. Last year, this year. Then, merong 3,600 na first year. Ang question is, which of the following can tell us the number of students who are not first year? So, ito yung last year at first year. I-add mo lang yan, tapos i-minus mo yung 3,600. Yun na yung sagot sa hindi mga first year. Bali, i-out mo si 3,600. Hindi mo siya isali. I-add mo siya, minus yung 3,600. Yung sobra, yun na yung enrollees na hindi first year. Kaya ang sagot dito ay letter A. Yan. Uulitin ko. There were 6,452 enrollees at Mabuhay High School last year. Ito yun. And then, 4,956 this year. Of this data yata to. Of this data, itong blank na to, 3,600 kasi yan yung nasa choices, 3,600, are first-year students. Which of the following can tell us the number n of students who are not in first year? Bali, itong number of students na first year na 3,600, i-minus mo lang siya sa total nito. Kaya, minus 3,600. Pareho lang yan kung itong 3,600, i-minus mo dito sa 6,452 minus 3,600, i-minus mo, bago mo siya i-add ito, pareho lang din ang sagot. Letter A. Question number 6. Last weekend, Dan earned 75 pesos for selling newspaper on Saturday and 60 pesos for selling sampaguita on Sunday. So, mayroon siyang 75 at 60. He spent 80 for his school needs. To find the amount left from his earnings, which of the following equation is correct? First, bago natin tingnan yung nasa choices, si 75 at saka si 60, i-add mo yan siya bago ka mag-minus sa nagastos niya na 80. At yan na yung sagot. Hanapin natin sa choices. Choice A, 75 plus 60 minus 80. Tama. So, letter A ang sagot dito. Tingnan natin si letter B. 75 minus 60, mali yan. Hindi mo man i-minus kasi pareho yung earnings niya, yung 75 at saka yung 60, kaya mali ito. Next, si 80 plus 75 minus 60, mali din yan. Huwag mong i-add si 80 kasi yung 80, yun yung na-spent mo. Kaya i-minus mo yan. Next, si choice D, 80 minus, hindi yung 80 ang kuhanan mo ng 75 plus 60 kasi yun yung nagastos mo, kaya mali pa rin yan. Kaya ang tamang sagot ay letter A. I-add mo na yung mga earnings niya, tsaka ka mag-minus sa na-spent niya, nagastos niya. Question number 7. Ella weighs 2 1/4 times more than his son. If his son weighs 30 1/2 kilo, about how many kilos does Ella weigh? Doon muna tayo sa 2 times more. Pag sinabing 2 times more, madoble ito. Mayroon pang 1/4. Ibig sabihin, mag-multiply tayo. So, 30 1/2 and 1/2 times 2 1/4. Kapag mag-multiply tayo ng fraction, may fraction or mixed numbers, gagawin muna natin itong improper fraction. So, 30 times 2 equals 60 plus 1 equals 61. Tapos kopyahin si 2 na denominator. Times 4 times 2 equals 8 plus 1 equals 9. Tapos kopyahin si denominator na 4. In other words, si 30 1/2 ay equivalent ng 61 over 2. Ito namang si 2 1/4 ay equivalent ng 9 over 4. Equals. Next, i-multiply natin itong 61 times 9, that is 954, 549. Then, 2 times 4 equals 8. Isa-isahin natin ito. 549 divided by 8. This one is 648. 69. This is 8. 64. And this one is 5. 68. Yan yung whole number natin, which is nandito. 5. Yan yung numerator natin. Yan yung 5. Isulat ko nga. 68. Tapos yung numerator natin na 5. At kopyahin si denominator na 8. So, ang sagot ay 68 and 5 over 8. Letter D. Uulitin ko. Ella weighs 2 1/4 times more than his son. If his son weighs 30 1/2 kilo. About how many kilograms does Ella weigh? Kung sakaling nalito kayo, ganito na lang muna. If Ella weighs 2 times more, ibig sabihin kung 2 times more, i-times 2 mo yung weigh ni son na 30 1/2. Times 2. Ngayon, 2 1/4 times more. So, idagdag mo si 1/4. Kaya si 30 1/2 times 2 1/4. Then, pag mag-multiply tayo ng mixed numbers, dapat gawin natin muna siya na improper fraction. Kaya si 30 1/2, ginawa nating 61 over 2. 2 1/4, ginawa nating 9 over 4. Pwede na nating i-multiply. 61 times 9, that is 549. 2 times 8, 4 equals 8. Ini-isa-isa nating pag-divide para maklaro sa inyo. 549 divided by 8. Ang sagot ay yung 68. Ito ang remainder na 5, yan yung gagawin nating numerator. Si 68, yan yung whole number. At kopyahin ang divisor na 8 as our denominator. So, ang sagot dito ay letter D, 68 and 5 over 8. Question number 8. Janice answered 100 questions in mathematics and science. 2/5 of the questions involve mathematics. Si math ay 2/5. How many are science questions? So, si science ay 2/5. Ang isang whole dyan ay 5 over 5. Kasi doon tayo mag-base sa denominator ni math na 2/5. Minus 2/5. Ito si math. Kopyahin si denominator na 5. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Itong 3 over 5 or 3/5, yan yung science. So, 3/5 of 100, yan na yung sagot. Of multiplication yan siya. So, 3/5 100. I-multiply natin yan. That is 300 over 5. 30 divided by 5 equals 6. I-add mo yung 0 or 300 divided by 5. That is 60. So, ang sagot dito ay letter D, 60. Uulitin ko. Ang given ay, si Janice nag-answer ng 100 questions in both math and science. If 2/5 of the question involves mathematics, 2/5 ang math, ibig sabihin si science ay 3/5. Again, isulat natin ganito. Wait. Isulat natin ganito. I-pi natin. Yan. So, ihati natin ng 5. 1, 2, yan. Pangit ng handwriting ko. Mahayaan mo na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kung 2/5, ito yung math. So, ang natira na science ay 1, 2, 3. 3/5. Ito yun. So, 3/5 of 100. Pwede mong gawin ganito. Si 100, i-divide mo ng 5. 100 divided by 5. So, kung i-divide mo ng 5, that is 20. So, bali ito tag 20 kada hati. 20, 20, 20 kada hati. Si science, kasi si math, sa kanya na yung dalawang hati, itong dalawang hati sa kanya, yung tatlong hati ay kay science. Tatlong 20. So, 20 times 3 is equals to 60. Kaya ang sagot dito ay letter D.